think it's day 5 in Dali. Today is temple day. So we're gonna go and see a couple of temples which are nearby the old town. And the first one is here, is Wu Wei Temple. We're gonna go take a look here in the temple and in the mountain. Do a little hiking. See what's around. This is a cool mountain trail to the temple. Back to nature, just what the doctor ordered. Dr. K diagnosed a return to nature. Cures all ills.
It's too high! We're in the mountains in Dali and we found a waterfall. Look, there's 2.
Little ones. Here we are in the mountain of Dali. Freddie's gonna try this little waterfall water. Where are we, Freddie?
We're in the waterfall of wonder.
Found a beautiful secret place here by the stream. It's got waterfalls. We had to go through some quite thick forest to get here, but yeah, it's great. Nobody here. That was so cool.
Coolest thing ever!
Secret spot.
We just walked all the way up the hill, up the mountain to this really awesome temple. And we just talked to a monk and said that this is the place where a lot of foreigners come to learn Kung Fu. And Didi, we know Kung Fu.
we left the temple and now we're just walking down this country road. It's beautiful. All you can hear is rushing water of a waterfall nearby. All you can see is hillsides, mountainsides, trees. We're just 10 minutes away from Dali Old Town. So this place has got a lot going for it.
Okay guys, today is our last day in Dali. We've done so many things, but there's still two major things to do here, which is the cable cars. We're going there right now with this tuk-tuk, and the 3 pagodas.
Hey guys, welcome to Cable Car Mountain. Now we're gonna go up into cable cars into the mountain. Old school cable cars. Follow us. We're going up the hill now, and we're gonna follow the bill.
Didi. Here's a guy doing some maintenance on the cable cart. Oh my god, so scary. But somebody's gotta do it. Ni hao. Whoa. Ni hao. That's a pretty cool job.
How's that, guys?
Cool! Scary too.
That was the best cable car ride I've ever had.
No, it's down there.
We're so high now. Let's go have a look around, guys.
Yeah, let's go. Look at that. Dali City. Awesome view.
The cable car, and then when we were walking the mountain we found a nature path, and then now we see a waterfall, so we're gonna follow the nature path. People say that this nature path can lead to a waterfall, so let's go see the waterfall, because last time we've been to one, it was super cool. Come on. And you hear the waterfall? See?
Awesome.
Look at all the temples. Those orange roofs. All temples.
Wow, guys, here's pretty steep. Wow. Here it was so high, the view is amazing. You can hear the waterfall. We're gonna find it. Best of all, there's no people. the end of the path. It's not much of a waterfall, but it's cool. But the journey was spectacular. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey.
Here! Mama!
This is real fresh mountain water, straight from the waterfall.
I drink. Good!
Ice cold.
We're heading back down to the cable cars now. So just wrapping this up. It's been an amazing walk. It's totally stunning here. Recommend it very highly. Just fantastic. Family fun. Right guys? Let's go.
It says rockfall through quickly.
Let's go through quickly.
What do you think, Fred?
Good.
What do you think of this trip? So great.
So great.
What was your favorite part?
Everything's my favorite part. I hope you like our videos about waterfalls and mountains and nature. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Bye bye. Hope I will see you next time.